Welcome to another episode. In my mid 30s, working night shifts and recovering from a shoulder injury, I started my fitness journey. Today, I'm going to share the most valuable lessons what I have learned since last 6 or 7 months. Point number 1. An injury is a road closure, not a city shutdown. If your shoulder is injured, train your legs. Keep moving forward. Point number 2. Every workout splits works. Push pull leg, upper body, full body, anything. The best one is the one you can stick to with your schedule and recovery. Point 3. Nutrition is simple but not easy. Hit your protein targets daily, eat more whole foods, cut down processed junk. Your 23 hours outside the gym matters more than you think. Point number 4. Train hard but recover harder. Push yourself in the gym but respect sleep, stress and the rest days. स्पेशली ऑन नाइट शिफ्ट, मेरी तरह जैसा मैं नाइट शिफ्ट करता हूं. पॉइंट नंबर 5. मोस्ट टाइट मसल्स डोंट नीड एंडलेस स्ट्रेचिंग. फोकस ऑन फुल रेंज ऑफ मोशन एंड कंट्रोल रेप्स इन योर एक्सरसाइजेस. पॉइंट नंबर 6. एज इज नॉट एक्सक्यूज. स्टॉप ट्रेनिंग स्टूपिड. फोकस ऑन गुड फॉर्म, स्मार्ट प्रोग्रेशन एंड प्रॉपर रिकवरी, जो मैंने किया था लास्ट 6 months. बॉटम लाइन, fitness is not about perfection. It's about consistent, smart decision over the years. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more realistic fitness content for busy Indian professionals like me, and comment your favorite lesson below. Share it with someone who needs this. See you in the next one. Train smart, stay consistent. Bye bye.